What's up, viewers? I'm your travel companion Tanvi Dikshit. Being the Mumbaikar that I am, I've always been dying to visit Mud Island, but somehow it never happened. Up until today, because I'm here at the gorgeous tropical island of Mud, and upon the recommendation by a lot of my friends, I have booked my stay at this beautiful property called the Resort Mud Island. The property is really pretty, and I cannot wait to go ahead and start exploring it. Let's go. I love how spacious and comfy, cozy my room here at the resort is. As you can see, the bed is ultra comfortable. The pillows are so fluffy. If you actually come here for like a staycation just to relax, this is the perfect place to like cozy up in the bed with a book. If you're here to work, they also have a really nice work desk in the room. And then if you want to relax, take a quick break, you can also screen some entertainment on the television here. They also have a gorgeous patio sit out sort of a thing that gives you a beautiful view of the sea and the big stretch of Aksa Beach that you can see from here. Also, they welcomed me with a beautiful fruit basket and some curated desserts. And my favorite part, this mermaid made entirely out of towels. How precious is that? Mud Island is of course a tropical paradise, but truth be told, I had not expected this experience to be so comfortable and luxurious. This property gives so much attention to detail, right from their artwork to the products in their bathrooms. I was so impressed looking at their toiletry dispensers. They have shampoos, conditioners, body washes, all of which are vegan, SLS free, paraben free. Love that. What a wholesome way to start my day. I'm starting my day here at the resort in Mud Island with a breakfast in bed. Not a breakfast in bed, but a breakfast in the balcony because look at the view. I mean, come on. They have actually sent across this gorgeous spread. You can see there's like cupcakes, croissants, there's coconut water, freshly cut fruits, pancakes, waffles, even some Indian delights like idli. I absolutely cannot wait to start. Let's dig in. My first bite has to, of course, be my favorite breakfast combination, coffee and croissant. Oh, look at how fresh these fruits are. Breakfast just gets better and better. After this breakfast, I know my day is going to be fabulous. Oh my god, this property directly opens onto the Aksa Beach. I cannot wait to go and enjoy a sunset this evening on the beach. They even have a beautiful gateway that gives you direct access to the Aksa Beach. You don't even have to leave the property. Here we are. Swimming pool, volleyball court, duck feeding, canvas painting. Oh my god, there's so much to do. I cannot keep calm. Let's go do it all. If you're not coming here solo but coming here with a big group of friends, you also have a very breezy volleyball court right next to the Aksa beach, so you can knock yourself out. If you want to add an extra relaxing touch to your stay experience here, then you can indulge in some relaxing spa therapies at the resort's in-house spa called Iasya. I have hardly explored half the property and I'm already famished, so I decided to take a lunch break at the restaurant High Tide, and I could not resist. I have called for everything on their specially curated menu. I'm going to tell you guys what all I'm trying out. There's tandoori malai broccoli paneer, nishapuri tikka, wet cheese bites, prawns koli vada, murg burasi tikka, melted chicken cheese balls, pasta with creamy mushroom sauce, vegetable pizza, smoked corn palak, paneer butter masala, assorted breads, murg dum biryani, and to end it all, chocolate mousse. Let us begin, shall we? Trying out the malai paneer broccoli. Oh yum. Oh, the biryani is so flavorful. It's not spicy, but it's very flavorful. All the food here, the paneer starters, the malai broccoli, everything, the paneer is so succulent, the chicken is perfectly cooked. Like, the food here has excelled. Like, it has exceeded all my expectations, honestly. Hands down the best food I've had on Mud Island. Checkmate. Well, I clearly don't know how to play chess, but look how cute this activity area at the resort is. Here you have a table tennis table, a foosball table, a chess board, a carom board, Jenga. You have painting activities like pot painting, leaf painting, canvas painting, all under the guidance of an activity expert. So you can have a ball of a time with your squad. So I have chosen to do canvas painting, and now just a heads up, I'm not the greatest painter. So I've actually looked up a really simple design for myself. Let's see if I can recreate it and take it back with me. Honestly, this afternoon painting has been so therapeutic. I feel amazing. I've literally not had any other thought for the last hour or so. So this was the design that I had picked out, and I think not bad. I've done a pretty decent job. Could have been better, but I think I've done a pretty decent job. So I think I'm going to take this home with me and maybe hang it up in my living room somewhere. God, the resort is awesome. I had such a fun afternoon. Aww. Yet another activity at the resort, Mumbai. I'm here to pet some cute little rabbits and then go feed the ducks. Hi guys. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? Look at them like chomping away.
This, no? They will come up. Give me little Alchin. Yeah. Little Susie. How cute they are standing and pulling.
Ah, so cute. How cute is this setup? They have actually arranged a sundowner picnic for me by the poolside while watching the sunset. There are like these little snackables, some fruits, a refreshing bottle of juice and some tea because it's tea time, of course. So let's begin. Look what a cute kiddie play area. If you're coming here with your little ones, you don't have to rack your brains to keep them entertained. Here you can actually find a bunch of fun, adventurous activities for your kids, and it's not just your usual slides and swings, but they also have rock climbing, of course assisted by an adventure expert so that your kids can play around while you are worry-free. throughout my entire staycation here, I have been eating non-stop and I badly need to burn some calories, so that's what I'm here to do. And the Cozy Little Fitness Center is the perfect place to do that. What a wonderful day it has been. I'm ending my super relaxing day at the resort with a relaxing poolside meal with a stunning view of Aksa Beach right in front of me. They have actually curated a special menu for me which has soup, starters, mains and of course some delicious desserts. So let's dig in. Usually whenever I need to unplug from my busy day-to-day life in Mumbai, I usually just book a flight and fly off to some faraway destination. But after my stay here at the resort, I've realized that you don't really need to leave the city to leave the city. So if you want to indulge in some amazing self-care, wake up to a breakfast in bed, take part in some fun recreational painting activities, enjoy a high tea picnic, a fancy dinner and whatnot, book your stay at the resort right away. You won't regret it. This is me, your travel companion Tanvi Dixit, signing off for now, but you know the drill. Until I see you the next time, like, share, subscribe. And let me get back to enjoying my dessert now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. This is wonderful. Oh, it's in a coconut.
So we have made it in-house.
Wow, that's wonderful. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I had a wonderful time here. Just when I thought my stay here could not get any better, look at this. How precious is this? This is a fond farewell.